This literature kit on The Catcher in the Rye by J.D. Salinger fits various learning styles and aligns perfectly with curriculum standards. 55 pages chocked full of a variety of scaffolding strategies incorporated in our Before You Read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading, with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Determine whether Holden is a reliable narrator. Find evidence from the text to support your opinion on Holden's feelings towards Jane. Put events in order as they happen on Holden and Sally's date. Describe a memory you connect with a certain smell. 4 additional extension activities follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as imagining what some of the graduates from Pensy would write in their yearbook. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Design what Holden's modern social media profile would look like. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.